joining us. Today we're going to open the 2017 Happy Meal toys. This is Smurfs, the Lost Village. There is 6 houses in this village, and each house has 2 friends inside. We'll open each one and show you all the characters inside it. Okay, let's get started. And here is the box they come in. By the way, if you buy the Happy Meal, the food inside, the Smurfs won't fit inside it. Here's number 1. It's called the Red House with Smurf Friends. There's his button. And scan the game. There's the house. See, it opens up like this. There's your characters. There is the inside of the house. Each house looks like it comes with this drawing inside it. There's the outside. And here's your toys. They call them friends. I don't know the names of these characters. This one looks like a Papa Smurf or something. Looks like a lady. If you know the names of these, leave me a comment and tell me. There's number 1. Number 2, the Yellow House with Friends. There's his button. Scan the game. Once again, it's got the thing inside to show you the outside and the inside. There's his characters. Let's see, that's an orange butterfly maybe? There's a Smurf, like he's shading the sun out of his eyes. Oops. There's number 3. It's the light green house with friends inside, they say. There's his button. Scan the game. There's the house. It's a nice green roof on it. Let's open it up. There's characters. Some of these are open on the end, some are not. This one's not. Yeah, I'm not sure who that is. It's another Smurf. There's a lady Smurf, blonde hair. Help me out if you know who these are. Leave me a comment. Number 4, the Orange House with Friends. There's the button. Scan the game. There's your house. It's an orange roof. Characters inside. Let's see who we have here. This one's open. This the same guy that was shading his eyes a while ago? Oh, there's a bunny rabbit. Big ears. Number 5, the Purple House. There's his button. And scan the game. Purple roof on this one. Again, it has the insert inside with the pictures inside and out. There's your friends. This one's open. That looks like a lady Smurf holding some kind of utensil. Flour, looks like. There's a cook. Got his chef hat on. And number 6 is the light red house. There's his button. Scan the game. There's your red roof. It's light red. Got your insert inside it. There's your friends. Let's see who we got here. Yeah, this one's not open, so. Looks like he's got a songbook or something in his hand. It looks like a ladybug on a mushroom. I believe it is. We got a lot more of these coming, so stay with us.